Hello everyone, it is Scruffy here. Have you ever seen a snail the size of your arm or a giant jellyfish capable of swallowing a small boat? In this video, we are going to explore 5 giant animals that you will find hard to believe actually exist. These creatures not only have astonishing sizes, but also possess unique characteristics that make them living legends of the natural world. Before we dive in, do not forget to subscribe to the channel so you do not miss any of Scruffy's exciting videos. First up is the African giant snail. The African giant snail, seemingly harmless yet surprisingly powerful. Scientifically named Achatina fulica, this species is one of the largest snails in the world, growing over 12 inches long, or about 30 centimeters, which is as long as an adult's arm. Not only are they enormous, but their remarkable adaptability in nature is also truly impressive. Their large, thick shells act like armor, protecting them from predators, like birds or rodents. Their massive bodies allow them to store water and nutrients to survive during harsh dry periods. They can even repair damaged shells, a survival ability that makes them incredibly resilient. Their size and endurance are already impressive, but their eating habits are what make them truly stand out. The African giant snail can consume over 500 types of plants, ranging from tender leaves to tough bark. With this insatiable appetite, they can easily wreak havoc on their environment, draining natural resources. In areas where they thrive, particularly agricultural regions, they are a true nightmare. It does not stop there. African giant snails reproduce at an alarming rate. Just a few individuals can quickly fill an area with their offspring. This combination of relentless eating and rapid reproduction has made them one of the biggest threats to ecosystems and agriculture. Even more concerning, African giant snails carry many dangerous parasites. One of the most alarming is the rat lungworm, a parasite that can be transmitted to humans, causing meningitis, a very dangerous illness. For all these reasons, the African giant snail is listed as one of the world's 100 most invasive species. The massive damage they cause, from crop destruction to the spread of diseases, has forced countries like the United States to spend millions of dollars to control them. Number 2, the giant fruit bat. The giant fruit bat, also known as the flying fox, is not just impressive due to its size, but it also plays a vital role as a silent guardian of tropical forests. Native to tropical and subtropical regions of Southeast Asia, the Pacific, and Africa, these bats are truly giants of the sky, with wingspans reaching up to 5.6 feet, which is 1.7 meters, wide enough to cover an adult human. They weigh between 2.2 and 3.3 pounds, or about 1 to 1.5 kilograms, making them one of the largest bat species on the planet. At night, under the cover of darkness, flying foxes silently soar through the forest in search of juicy fruits like mangoes, bananas, and figs, their favorite foods. More than just fruit eaters, flying foxes are crucial to the ecosystem. They help spread seeds and pollinate plants, contributing to the diversity of forest vegetation. Without them, many plants that rely on bats for reproduction could gradually disappear, altering the entire forest structure. Unlike many other bat species that rely on echolocation, flying foxes have incredible eyesight. Their large, keen eyes allow them to spot fruit from a distance, even in the dense darkness of the rainforest. This helps them thrive in challenging environments. However, the existence of flying foxes is under threat. Habitat loss due to deforestation, agriculture, and urbanization has drastically reduced their living space. On top of that, illegal hunting for meat or as pets has significantly reduced their population. Without urgent conservation efforts, flying foxes face the risk of extinction, which could lead to the collapse of entire ecosystems that depend on them. Number 3, the Chinese giant salamander. The Chinese giant salamander, scientifically named Andreas davidianus, is not only one of the largest amphibians on Earth, but it is also a living representation of the wonders of nature. With lengths reaching up to 6 feet, which is 1.8 meters, and weights of up to 110 pounds, or about 50 kilograms, this creature seems like something straight out of prehistory. It hides in fast-flowing streams and rivers in remote mountain areas of China. Their wrinkled, rough skin, often brown or gray, helps them blend perfectly with the riverbeds, lying in wait for unsuspecting prey. The most fascinating feature of the giant salamander is its ability to breathe through its skin, an extraordinary ability that allows it to absorb oxygen directly from the water, enabling it to live underwater for extended periods. They hunt by remaining motionless, waiting for prey such as fish, shrimp, crabs, or other amphibians to swim by, and then striking with lightning speed. Recent genetic studies have revealed an exciting discovery. The Chinese giant salamander is not just a single species. DNA analysis has shown that it consists of 3 separate species, each found in different regions. Andreas davidianus, the most common species, is found in central and eastern China. The largest species, Andreas sligoi, can grow nearly 6.6 feet long, which is 2 meters and is found in southern China. The third species is still being studied and has yet to be named. In addition to their massive size, these salamanders are known for their incredible longevity. In the wild, they can live up to 50 years, and in captivity, their lifespan can extend beyond 60 years. Their strong regenerative abilities have helped them survive the harsh challenges of their natural environment. Number 4. Nomura's jellyfish. Nomura's jellyfish is a gigantic marine creature that is hard to believe exists. With a diameter of up to 6.6 feet, or about 2 meters, and weighing over 440 pounds, which is 200 kilograms, this species is one of the largest jellyfish in the ocean. They are typically found in the waters between China and Japan, particularly in the Yellow Sea, East China Sea, and the Sea of Japan, where they used to live deep underwater, far from human activity. However, due to climate change and increasing pollution, these giant jellyfish have started migrating to shallower waters near coastlines. This shift not only signals changes in their habitat, but also demonstrates their strong adaptability to new challenges. While Nomura's jellyfish do not possess deadly venom, their stings can still cause painful welts and rashes. In more sensitive individuals, they may trigger severe reactions, though fatalities are quite rare. The most striking thing about Nomura's jellyfish is the recent population explosion. In areas like the Yellow Sea and East China Sea, they have been appearing in massive numbers, causing serious problems for coastal industries. Their sheer size and numbers clog fishing nets, damaging equipment and reducing fish catches. This may be due to rising sea temperatures, abundant food supplies, or a decline in natural predators. Number 5. The giant freshwater stingray. Deep in waters where light rarely reaches, a colossal creature silently roams, the giant freshwater stingray. With body widths exceeding 7.2 feet, or about 2.2 meters, and weighing up to 1,160 pounds, which is 800 kilograms. This fish is like a living raft, quietly gliding through the water. Its immense weight could easily sink a small boat, but that is just one part of the awe it inspires. What makes the giant freshwater stingray truly formidable is not just its size, but also its natural defense weapon, a long tail equipped with razor-sharp venomous spines up to 15 inches long, or about 38 centimeters. This makes it a powerful deterrent against any predator. The combination of size and lethal defense has turned this fish into an underwater wonder, a silent warrior of the riverbeds. These giant creatures are at risk of vanishing forever due to overfishing and habitat destruction. Dams block their natural migration routes, and forests that once protected their river habitats are being destroyed. They reproduce slowly, and their young take years to reach maturity, which means they cannot replenish their numbers fast enough to compensate for the losses caused by human activities. These giant creatures are living proof of nature's incredible diversity and power. Some pose a danger to the environment, while others are under severe threat from human actions. We need to find a way to balance and protect nature so that these wonders do not become mere legends. If you are fascinated by the mysteries of the animal world, do not forget to subscribe to the channel to catch more exciting videos.